Morning, children. Today you will learn the new topic, that is chapter number 14, our environment. What is our environment? The surrounding in which we live is our environment. And human beings have made several changes in the environment according to their needs, and which actually some of them were become very harmful. So such harmful activities, harmful changes brought by the human beings causes the pollution to the environment. Okay, so what is pollution? The harmful changes brought in the environment by human activities are called pollution. And the different types of pollutions are there. They are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and the noise pollution. See, air pollution. Here, air pollution, it is caused by the industries and the vehicles. Here you can see the water pollution. See the people how they dumped the waste into the water bodies, which will be actually by the household and the industrial waste dumped into the water bodies, which causes the water pollution. And see here the land pollution. Land pollution, it is by dumping the solid waste like the polythene bags and the glass bottles into the soil. Here the noise pollution, that is actually caused by the loud noise of the machines and the vehicles. Now you understood what are the different types of pollutions. Now see in detail, if you are seeing, you can see here the air pollution. Air pollution, he see the smoke releasing from the houses, the chimneys, from the chimneys of the houses. From there the smoke releasing. And we can say that the when sometimes near the forest areas, if they are living, the forest fire that causes also lots of smoke. Okay, and here in the chimneys of the factories, from there also the gases releasing into the air, sky, right? See, in the air they are releasing it, the harmful gases that is coming out, which will pollute our air. And here also you see the thickness of the smoke coming from the industries. This also pollute our environment. See here also you can see the from the factories, different kinds of factories are there, industries are there. From there through these chimneys, these are the long funnels, right? See, these are only the chimneys. Through that the harmful smoke that will be coming out. And here you see the vehicles. The vehicles, they are also releasing the smoke. See, that also gives air pollution. And here when we are see this satellites, when we are launching the satellites, that time also they are when they goes up with the fuel, they releases lots of smoke. Okay, that these all these things are the causes of the air pollution. Next pollution, that is water pollution. Now see here you can see very clearly this the waste coming from the industries, right? From the industries the waste water coming, and this will contains lots of chemicals. These all into there, it is dumping into the water bodies, so that will be actually harmful to the animals living inside the water, or the plants living inside the water, they will be getting harm. And then when these in chemicals goes into their bodies, and they will be consumed by other animals and the human beings, they will also get infected by these chemicals. And see here also, see lots of pollution, water it is polluting, right? Dumping the waste into the water bodies. And see from these canals it is going to the water bodies, river water. And here you can see this people nearby areas, they thrown the water bottles after drinking the mineral waters. And then the empty bottles they are simply throwing into the water bodies, which is reaching into the river water. See, it is joining into the river. These are the canals. Through that canals it is reaching into the river water. Then through the river water it reaches into the sea also. And see here the how these they all are dumping at a place. These all bottles they thrown by the people. Okay, and see here also you can see the agricultural field. In the agriculture field, the farmers are using the fertilizers, and the for getting the good yield. And not only that, the pesticides they are using to control the pest, these all will dissolve in the water, and this water also will be reaches into the water bodies, and through the water bodies, it will be affected to the people. See the next pollution, land pollution, how the land is polluted by this. Also we see the dumping the waste into the land soil only, simply throwing it. And see here the polythene pair we are throwing away, which will be see inside, it will take millions of years to degrade. So after digging the soil also you can see the traces of the polythenes, right? It is not decaying, so which will be harmful to the soil, as well as there will be the air will not enters into the soil properly because of these things. And now see here the nearby areas, how the people are throwing the waste into the canals. And here this actually we can say that during this soil erosion, because of the soil erosion, sometimes the big trees they will be uprooted, and then their root portions are remaining there. It is not at all be disposing in time, which will also take some more times to degrade, right? That also causes soil pollution. And see here it's also if these are falling in this way, then that areas we cannot use it for the agriculture also. So for that first they have to remove these such things, then only they can use it. And see here the whatever the chemicals everything thrown into the body land, that also polluting these areas very harmly. Next, you see noise pollution. Noise pollution, see when the aeroplane and the helicopter, when they are take off or landing time, it gives lots of trouble, lots of noise to the people, those who are living nearby areas. And here also you can see the vehicles, how it is going, traffic jam. See, and the each vehicle will produce the their horns. So by the horns itself, it creates lots of noise pollution. And here you can see the man, he is drilling the that road, right? So with the drilling machine for repairing the road also, that time also see with the drilling machine, it also will gives lots of noise. And here you see upside here the people are enjoying with the music and the dance with, for that they are using the loud music, so that they can enjoy well, but it gives lots of problem to others, one who is living near the areas, and the sick people and the old people and the children, those who are studying for the examination, they all will get lots of problem with this. Sometimes the people are celebrating their festivals, marriage functions, for that also using these kinds of loud music, which also harm the mm, people. Okay, cause that's also be a cause of noise pollution. And see this boy, he is holding his both the hands on his ears. See, that is actually this by seeing this you can identify that it is near the railway um, track, right? So there through that the trains are moving, when the trains are moving also, it gives lots of that whistles, and the horns also gives lots of noise to the people. So all these are the causes of the noise pollution. Okay, so I hope all of you understood these kinds of different kinds of noise pollution. And now see, I hope you all understood well.